Hey guys, how are we doing? We are back for another hair color video. If you're wondering what I have on here right now, this would be Violet Dream and Wrath mixed together. It is kind of faded out. It's about 2 weeks old now. I was trying because I could not get Ritual in store. So I was trying to mix the colors I had to kind of get something close to that. I failed. It's bright. It's super bright, and I was going for something more fall. So I did order 2 weeks ago this bad boy. That is the Wrath, or it's the Ritual, I'm sorry. I will tell you, I love Arctic Fox through and through, love it. It is some of the best semi-permanent bright colors out there. However, they give you one option for shipping. It's $4.90 to ship it. I got no option for expedited shipping, nothing like that, and it took 9 days to get to me. I got my shipping confirmation. I ordered this at like 3 in the afternoon. I got my shipping confirmation at 5 in the afternoon. It just came today. It has been 9 days. So if I have one complaint about Arctic Fox, fix your shipping process. Because seriously, this came FedEx. It took 3 days to get from California to Kansas. I am in Missouri. It went from one city in Kansas to another city about 4 miles apart, and then it went back to the first city, and then it went back to the second city, back to the first city, then got sent to my post office, sat for 2 days, and then came to me. Ridiculous. And I contacted FedEx because this happens every time I have to order. I've only ordered 3 times. Every single time it has happened. Other than that, I always buy in store just to keep from having this problem, and because I'm an instant gratification type of girl. But I contacted FedEx and I said, guys, why are you shipping my package back and forth and back and forth and back and forth? And their response to me was, the shipper determines how we ship your products. It doesn't make any sense to me, because why would the shipper tell you to ship my product back and forth between 2 cities for 4 days? Doesn't make sense, but that's what they're telling me. So Arctic Fox, if you're listening, look here, right here. Give me an option for expedited shipping. I will gladly pay it. Thank you. Now, anyways, let's get back to it. I could take this purple out of my hair. Normally, I wait until everything is faded out to change colors, or I do a shampoo cap, which is 1 scoop of powder bleach with equal parts of a clarifying shampoo and developer, 10 volume developer. Put it on damp hair, and generally takes between 5 and 10 minutes to pull completely out. Doesn't damage your hair a whole lot as much as bleaching it does. However, since this is a red purple base, and I'm purple, and I'm trying to grow my hair out, so I just don't want to damage it as much as possible, I'm just going to cover this with the Ritual, because I want it to be deep and dark, and I know it's going to fade out. It's going to fade to purple and pink anyway, so we're just going to go with it like this. So I am going to open this bad boy up. This is not available in any of my stores yet, which makes me sad because, like I said, instant gratification. So it's very dark there. I'm trying not to get it on anything, but I'm not doing so great with that. It smells so good. Just like our normal Arctic Fox scent. And I am just going to dump as much as I can into my bowl here. I just took the whole lid off. I didn't even use the squirty top. But I am going to put it in the bowl here, so that way we can get it all ready. Where's my brush? I'm losing my mind, y'all. So you can get it all ready to cover my whole entire damn head, because I'm ready to do some fun fall, deep, dark, bloody wine colors. So excited. And it's cold outside, so I am just like stirring it up in the bowl so it's not so cold, because it was kind of not as liquidy as it normally is. I don't think it froze. I think it's just like, you know, the cold made it a little bit more solidified or something. I don't know what word I'm looking for. But here is the color. You see how gorgeous she is? Hopefully that's enough. That's about 3/4 of a bottle. I'm going to put on some of these fancy gloves. I have you guys zoomed in because it's generally how y'all are telling me that you like the hair videos. So anyways, I am going to take this top portion of my hair and kind of pull it back so I can get the bottom, and then we'll cover the top. And I'm probably gonna be messy about this, y'all. Yes, I am a licensed professional hairstylist. However, look, see, that looks blue on camera there, but it is not blue in person. I don't care that I'm messy. I'm just going to apply this, and I'm gonna move my mirror over a little bit for myself so I can make sure that I don't miss any spots. And the good thing with this stuff is, like, you can get messy with it. It's okay. It is definitely all right to get messy, and sometimes I do that because, well, it's fun. Who doesn't like to get messy? So I don't know if y'all noticed that I have been kind of missing for a while. Learned I kind of have a stalker. Someone was kind of watching my videos just to stalk me. Kind of weird, right? Like, I mean, y'all can watch my videos. I make videos and I put them on the internet for people to watch. Everybody there, I mean, they're public. There's nothing shameful, but it's just weird, I think, when someone knows nothing about you, so they sit and binge watch your videos to try to figure out who you are, like, in the rest of your life, you know? It's a little bit weird. But females are crazy. It's okay though. I'm not ashamed. Not at all. This is my life. And all of our little baby edges here are good to go. I just don't want to waste the color that I have in the bowl here, because you really can't put it back in the bottle. You know what I mean? And I can't see the back of my head, so I'm always like, if you can't see it, put another coat. That way you don't miss any spots. Anyways, how do I look? Who wants to hang out? I'm probably free 2 weeks from never. Girl's got a busy schedule here. I work 50 to 60 hours a week. I have a super busy boyfriend. I have 3 teenage children, one of which is getting ready to be a mom. that is stressful. That is real stressful. But we're making it. We're making the best of it. I was a teenage mom too. So I know the struggles. And so I'm just going to try to be as supportive as possible. And, you know, I dripped it on my pants. Whoops. But I'm going to try to be as supportive as possible and, you know, help her. She's going to need help. Being a mom is hard. Being a single mom is harder. As of right now, baby daddy is in the picture. Fingers crossed that he stays that way. That's a really sad way to look at things, but unfortunately in the state of the world today, you always have to be prepared for the worst. So that's where I'm at. She doesn't believe in being prepared for the worst. She thinks unicorn shits and rainbows and stuff like that. So that's okay. As her bonus mom, because I'm not her birth mom, I am just going to be here ready for backup if she needs it, and if she doesn't, then great, you know, we can all be happy. But I am a person who believes in being ultra prepared rather than being caught off guard. So anyways, I'm gonna be a Gigi. I decided I'm not gonna be a grandma, it's gonna be a Gigi, and I'm gonna have a little baby girl, and she is going to be absolutely gorgeous, and I'm pretty excited about that. So anyways, now we're going to let this sit on my head for about 30 minutes or so, maybe 45. I have got to install a pull-up bar in my room because I'm trying to get fit. My goal is to, in August of next year, be able to do this Muddy Girl run. It's a 5K obstacle course and stuff, and I'm completely out of shape right now. So I am working on that, and my 18-year-old daughter can do like 12 pull-ups and I can't do one. So I got a pull-up bar for my bedroom. So I'm going to end up kicking some butt on that. I will keep you all updated on progress. But for now, let's go do that. I will see you when this shit is rinsed out and done. Gorgeous. All right, and we are back. What do you think? This is the Arctic Fox Ritual. It actually came out a lot better than I thought it would. It is a lot darker than I expected it to be, and pretty close to the bottle. A little bit more purple, obviously, because I put it straight over purple. I like it though. I really do. I think it's great for fall. It's a pretty good purple / winey color, and I think it's going to work out great. So let me know what you think down below. Let me know if you've used this color yet and what you think, what your experiences are. And yeah, thanks for checking out my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.